Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing A into R. Into this. And if I didn't tell you the flavor, this is cheese noodles. Good. Good, y'all. It's cold. This not cold, it's hot. It's cold, like it's cold. But quit playing. What's that, boy? You ugly. I'm gonna get back in my mukbang. Now after this video, I'm gonna beat him up. Up, man. Hey, bro, back up. Hey, I'll be taking over the mukbang. I'll be taking over that mukbang. I'll be taking over. Hey, good for my doodle, mukbang. You know, my mukbang. Told you.